In this video, I'll show you how to make a field optional in Docusign step by step, so you can give signers more flexibility while filling documents. Start by logging into your Docusign account and opening a template or document you want to edit. After adding recipients and basic details, click Next to enter the field editing screen. Select the field you want to modify, then look for the required option in the settings panel. Simply uncheck or toggle off the required field option, and it will become optional for the signer. In some cases, you may also see options like Select at Least, which allow partial requirements across multiple fields. This helps create more flexible document flows without forcing unnecessary inputs. Always review your document before sending to ensure everything behaves as expected. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.